really bright out. It's kind of rainy, kind of melty. It rained all morning and rained for a while. Hi Bella, getting your hay. So I'm gonna do some morning chores. Look at this, like the driveway. Well, that part of the driveway looks terrible, but back here behind me, I always take the snow off. I'm pretty silly when it comes to shoveling the snow, so I like to clear huge patches of snow. One reason might be because when I do that, if it melts, see like here, if the snow melts, then I have no snow on this whole area or here on the driveway. I've done the whole driveway all the way down to the end, so I need to feed the goats. Oh, I need sunglasses. It's really bright out. Yeah, I gotta feed the goats. So this is the hay barn, if you guys don't know. This is where I keep the hay. I also have some on the trailer, so we're gonna go in here. And find the scissors, which are of course right there. And then, when the greenhouse is nice and warm. Okay, now let's go in here. I know, babies, I know. All right, now the big thing here is that, I don't know if you guys can see, but these bales are really tight. So I want to snip a few. Okay, we got it. Yay! So we're gonna bring this over to the goats. I'm very excited about this. I should really put you down somewhere because getting in there is gonna be difficult. But look, see, I did all these paths too, and now they're all melted, which is really nice. All right. Hey, Bruno. Can we do this without... Oh, we can't. Okay, come on, guys. Bruno, Bella. Oh, you've escaped. Wait, what's going on? Come on, guys. Come on, this way. Go home. Go home. Come on. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Okay, come on. Go home. Hi. Hi. Oh, I know. It's over here. You want to come up on your step? Let's go. No, we're not going to go home. Come up here. Oh, the chickens are not happy with that. There. Come on. Bruno, come. Come on. You want some green? Come here. Where's Bella? Come on, Bruno. Come. Good boy. Come on. Not better. Yeah, baby. Hey, Bella. No, you've got your green on you. You've got your green. There. Go eat your hay. Go eat your hay. Oh, that was a lot of work. Okay, so it's fine. It's fine if they come out, obviously. They do come out. But I want to feed them and get them back into their space because I don't want them to eat my baby pines and other such things. That would not be good. So I got out the chainsaw. We're going to cut up some of the wood that's already down. That's the plan for this afternoon. Cut that up and get it over to the wood shed, which is obviously a big deal. I cleared most of the deck of any little bits of remaining snow, so that's really good because it's like a whole new fresh start. Other than that, I'm not really sure why I'm out here. Oh right, I wanted to make them a grain. I wanted to make them a manger for grain. I gotta think about that for a while and figure out what it's gonna look like. And then I want to put it up here, so when it is really cold, now this is my studio, and then we've got the little porch, and the porch goes right to the edge of their house, or their yard. So I want to have some kind of manger that's right on this fence, so they can come up and nibble on it, but they're not stepping on it, they're not jumping into it, it's high enough, they're not pooping in it, which is actually a big problem. And then it's easier for me to give them just to get very little, to get like a tiny third of a cup or so each in the morning. So, or like now, if I'm trying to get them back in the house, they might get a little extra. Today they got wheat. That almost never, well actually that never happens. They always get barley, but I ran in to grab the barley and the door to my studio was locked. So instead I grabbed some wheat, which is actually for the chickens or for the deer, but not for the goats. So, but they'll be okay. They got just a little sprinkle of it. Bo is going to clean the chimney today. He does that every 2 months or so, regardless of the weather. Do you guys want a little tour of what the world looks like when it's all snowy? So good. I love coming out and just eating right from the garden. It's just so amazing. I can see that there is some more in the bed that I actually planted for kale. All right, here we go. There's some more popping through. So these guys, this is all fresh growth, really nice and tight, beautiful fresh growth. The rest of it is all under. There's a few more in here, but they're under the snow. And it's just going to continue to grow all winter, which is so cool. So I recommend, guys, if you're not already growing kale, go ahead and get your winter greens and get them in the ground. In the fall, you can plant them really small in the fall. They don't have to be big at all. Those ones, you can see how tiny they are. It's only December, but when I put them in the ground, they were just little seedlings, and that was maybe a month and a half ago, like right at the end of fall I planted them, and they're doing well. So by spring, they're going to be huge. I also have a few that I put into the walled garden just to fill out some spaces, and I went and checked it on a little while ago, and it looked like a rabbit had come along and eaten them. Of course, I do have a rabbit. Those look really good. So I need to put a cover on that. I need to put a cover on this. Unfortunately, I'm not sure if I have more covers. Future years, this is going to be much, much bigger and much better because I'll really make an effort. This year, I just planted them in the midst of other things, so it wasn't such a big deal, and I wasn't sure how much kale I was going to get or if I even wanted it. And also, this is the first time I have planted kale in this country outside in the winter. I've done it during the spring, fall, and summer, obviously. Well, it doesn't grow in the summer, but I've done it in Germany many years in Germany, but it's zone 7 there. So I'm really excited to see that it worked, it came, it grew, and it's doing really well. I'm Scarlett, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode. Toodaloo!